Hi guys! I just found a webcam na super linaw at meron pang AI auto-framing features at gesture control. This cute webcam is the Osbot Meet SE. Meron na din tong privacy cover and A to C adapter. Pwede nyo siyang gamitin ng landscape at syempre, pwede nyo rin tong gamitin ng naka-portrait. It supports 1080p at 100fps or even 720p at 150fps. So your videos stay smooth and sharp. And as you can see sa video, ang ganda talaga ng quality niya at sobrang linaw. And ganito naman siya pag malapitan sa face. You can also adjust the image settings and record a video directly from the app. And meron na din tong built-in microphone with noise reduction so you can stay clear and isolated even in a noisy environment. I also tried the portrait. Anyway guys, magnetic na din to kaya hindi ka mahihirapang gawing landscape or portrait. And ladies, kapag meron kang bigla ang meeting, hindi mo na kailangang mag-ayos kasi meron na din tong filter. Pwede ring ikaw na ang mag-adjust or ikaw na mismo ang maglalagay ng makeup sa sarili mo. This is perfect for video calls, streaming, or even content creation. So guys, kung gusto nyo din maging maganda yung quality ng webcam nyo, i-check out nyo na to, nasa yellow basket.